SpongeBob. Squidward's right. I think it's high time we started accepting facts.
I'm on it, Mr. Krabs.
No, boyo, not that kind.
Mr. Krabs, what are you saying?
Krusty Krab can't stay in business. It's not like this.
It can't?
No, SpongeBob. It's time to activate Plan Z-Niner-Night. Secret formula to plankton! Gee, I have no choice. And stop calling me Gee.
Tell me that I'm dreaming.
Not this time, little fella.